So now we will be connecting our motor to this frame here. So let's connect. And one thing, here in this frame, this, for example, this is motor 1, motor 2, motor 3, and motor 4. So one motor will be moving clockwise, the other will be anti-clockwise, this one will be clockwise, and this one will be anti-clockwise. Okay, so here in the motor you will see this arrow, and you can, if you have this DJI motor, so you can see this arrow here. So this shows the direction of the motor. Here it is clockwise, so this motor will be rotating clockwise, right? Okay, and uh, the direction here, it shows that when the motor is rotating clockwise, it will tighten the propeller, and the propeller will be getting tight more and more as the motor rotates to in the clockwise direction. So let's connect it. And here are its screws. You can see they are a bit bigger than these screws, and they come with the frame, so you don't need to worry about this. So here, as you can see, I have connected this motor to this frame, and I will now I will connect the other three motors to this frame, and then I will show you. Okay, so I have connected these motors to the frames. Here you can see over here. Now we have these ESCs, so we will attach the ESCs here using zip ties. So So I have attached the ESCs. Now I will connect the motors here. So these are the three pins over here. The middle wire of the motor will be attached here to the middle of the ESC, and left one to the left and the right to the right. We will check the direction of rotation of motor later, but this is just initial connections, so we will do it. So now we have connected the motors to the ESCs, all the four motors. Okay, and now it's time to place our Pixhawk over this top plate. So here, this is the anti-vibration stand for the Pixhawk. So let's open it and see. So we have these two plates, and this is the SD card adapter here, but we don't need it now. And these are double taps, and these are some connectors for this. So first what we'll do, we will connect this top plate to the bottom plate using these connectors. So here you can see I have connected both the plates here using these blue connectors, and now we will place this anti-vibration stand for the Pixhawk over this top plate. For that we will use double tap here. So it is a bit taller because of these screws, so we will use another strap here, and now we will place it over this plate. Now make sure it is straight. Okay, and just press it. Okay, so it's done now, and now we will place our Pixhawk over it like this. Okay, and for this we have these two small double taps. So I will place one here and the other one here. Okay, so let's remove the top cover. So let's connect it. This is the nose of the Pixhawk, so it will be in the forward direction. So we are considering this white, these white arms as forward of the drone. So I'll connect it like this over here, and make sure it's straight again. Just press it so that it is connect. Okay, so it's now connected here. You can see it's almost straight. Okay, so the next thing is setting up the GPS for this. So we have this GPS over here. This is the GPS. This is the GPS, and we have already placed the double tap over it. This is the GPS stand. So let's assemble it first. So first, we will use we will connect this to this stand here like this. Okay, using a screw. Here we have got 4 screws, and we'll connect it. So this is, I'll connect it like this. Now I'll need a screwdriver to do this. Okay, so it's done. I have connected this to this base. Now we have this rod over here, so this will be connected here like this. Okay, and for this we have the smaller screws here, so we will connect them over here. Okay, so after this we will place this over it and we will tighten it. Okay, and after this we have this plate for the GPS, so I will connect it over here like this, and I will use another screw from here to connect both of them. Okay, so you can see over here I have connected this plate to this rod, and now we have this GPS. Here you can see the arrow on this GPS, so this arrow and this arrow on the Pixhawk will be pointing to one direction. So I have just connected this GPS to this stand, and now we have some more screws to connect this to this frame.